Jeda AI Lesson Series Part 13. How to draw a wireframe and generate as an art. Here on this workspace, you can see add-ons option here. Just click on these wireframes, then you will be able to see some components that you can use on your wireframe. First, I'm going to get this model or this model as needed. I'm going to use this browser model here. Okay, just click on it and then it will be added to this workspace here. I need an image placeholder and also I need a text input multi-line holder component, and then I need a text input. I need a drop-down select. I need a placeholder box and I need a search input. I think I need everything here. Okay, I'm going to get the video player also. Okay guys, now I'm going to place everything as I needed. Wait, first I'm going to extract them like this. Okay, here I need the search bar to this place and I need this image placeholder here. I'm going to use this like this, and I need to, okay, I don't need this, but I need to use this drop down here, and I'm going to use this box like this. I'm going to use this video option here. Okay, let's get these things into the bottom down. Now go. Now I need to type something here. Okay, just place the cursor here and then just type learning management. And now I'm going to select everything here. Just click on this AI option and type generate wireframe. Then click on this art option here and click on the generate button and wait for the amazing response. Wow, super cool. So this is the wireframe art that you could generate from this drawing. Okay, this is not a drawing, this is a wireframe, but it's a simple thing, right? So this is a learning management system that you can use to make something. Okay, so here you can see just search here and blah blah blah. So some components, I'm not going to explain them, but you can get the idea from this and you can show the thing to the client. Maybe, okay, maybe you can draw something different by using this art. That's all.